You are looking at Julian's pronunciation guide, where we look at how to pronounce better some of the most mispronounced words in the world, like this other curious word. But how do you say what you're looking for today? Let's learn how to pronounce this expression from Spanish originally, meaning my people. Mi gente is how it is pronounced in Spanish. Mi gente. Mi gente. You could also pronounce it as, if you cannot pronounce Spanish perfectly, replace the ch sound, the G sound, with an H sound and say mi gente. Here are more videos on how to pronounce more confusing words and names too many mispronounced. Like this video if you found it useful. I appreciate your support. I'll see you soon and thanks for watching.